This is the solar system. Here you can see the planets from closest to the sun to furthest to the sun. The sun is the big orange star that we see up in the sky. In daytime, all the planets circle the sun. Amna is going to space with her spaceship and she is super excited. Oh, it looks like she has made it into space. Great job, Amna. She can see all the planets from here. This is Mercury. It's very hot during the daytime and it's closest to the sun. But during the nighttime, it's very cold. This is Venus. And it's also known as the morning and evening star. This is our planet, Earth. It's known as the blue marble because of how much water it has. This is Mars, the big red planet which is throwing rocks at Amna now. Now Amna has come to Jupiter, the biggest planet in the solar system. Jupiter is so big it can fit 1300 Earths in it. Now Amna has come to Saturn, the second biggest. It has a hula hoop around it. This is Neptune. It's surrounded by dust. And this is Uranus, the furthest to the sun. And it can blow wind. Watch out, Amna. That is our solar system.